Namaste and welcome to the channel. So friends, today I have a few things to share with all of you. Let me start with the ancient system of education in our country, which was the Gurukul. In the Gurukul, students were trained in all aspects of life. The Guru knew exactly what he had to teach, how to teach, and whom to teach. Friends, there was nothing called multiple intelligences or learning styles in those times. But even then, the Guru knew exactly how every student would learn. So if there was a child who was music smart and an auditory learner, the Guru taught him through shlokas. And in this way, every student was prepared to face life's challenges. Later on, as time went by, we had leading educationists who came up with various theories like your Montessori method, the Playway method, the Rudolf Steiner method, the Waldorf method, and so on and so forth. All these methods had one thing in common, and that is making children learn through fun. Yes, friends, in today's times, we hardly find people following this because teachers are just busy trying to complete the portions. And somewhere this Playway method has become lost. So what I'm going to share with you today is a video which may help you to revive this Playway system and help children learn in a fun manner. So I hope all of you are going to watch and take the learning from the video, and I will definitely come back to you at the end of the video. So friends, please enjoy yourselves, and I'm sure there's a lot of fun involved in this video. Thank you.
Hi, hello, namaste, and welcome to Roma Mom Quiz Competition. Today we are introducing you the most talented persons. Friends, are you excited to see them? Here we go. I would like to call up on the stage the National Quiz Competition winner. They are none other than Sanvi and Amar. Welcome, Sanvi and Amar.
Thank you, madam.
Next, I would like to call the International Quiz Competition winners and most talented students. They are well known to everyone. They are none other than Tanvi and Sham. Congratulations and welcome to the show, Tanvi and Sham.
Thank you, madam.
Finally, we like to call the champions of the state quiz competition. They are the new talents. They are Shrishti and Varun. First, I like to congratulate Shrishti and Varun for your state level victory. All the best for your future, and welcome to the show.
Thank you, madam.
Friends, give them to a big round of applause. Students, once again welcome to the Roma Mom Quiz Competition. Now I will tell you the rules of the competition. Here we have 2 rounds, and 10 questions each round. You need to tell 3 examples each question. When I ask the question, if you know the answer, you should press the buzzer first and tell me the answer. Hope all of you understand the rules. Let us start the show now. All the best, students. Students, here we have the first question. Tell me the degrees of comparison of the word high. And your time starts now. Team B.
High, higher, highest, madam.
That is the correct answer, you got 1 point. The second word is funny. Team A.
Funny, funnier, funniest, madam.
Very good, it is the right answer. Your third word is thick. Team C.
Bright, brighter, more brighter, madam.
Very good, right answer. Here we have your fourth word is beautiful. Team B.
Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, madam.
Very good, that is the right answer. Here we have your fifth word. That is bright. Team C.
Bright, brighter, more brighter.
I am sorry, it is wrong answer. Any others? If you know the answer, you can tell me. You will get the point. Team B.
Bright, brighter, brightest, madam.
Good, it is the right answer. You will get the point. Your sixth word is cold. Team B.
Cold, colder, coldest, madam.
Well done, it is the correct answer. Your seventh word is thin. Team A.
Thin, thinner, thinnest, madam.
Very good, it is the right answer. Here your eighth word is big. Team B.
Big, bigger, biggest, madam.
Very good, it is the correct answer. Your ninth word is old. Team B.
Old, older, oldest, madam.
Well done, right answer. Your last word of the round is happy. Team A.
Happy, happier, happiest, madam.
Very good. We have completed the first round. Here we have your scores. Team B has scored the maximum points in this round. All the best for your second round. Welcome back to Roma Mom Quiz Competition. Students, this is your second round. And this round decides your victory. Good luck. Here we have the first question in second round. Tell me the degrees of comparison of good. Team B.
Good, better, best, madam.
Well done, it is the correct answer. The next word is joyful. Team A.
Joyful, more joyful, most joyful, madam.
Very good. Your third word is clever. Team C.
Clever, cleverer, cleverest, madam.
Very good, it is the correct answer. Your fourth word is sensible. Team A.
Sensible, more sensible, most sensible, madam.
Correct answer, very good. Here we have your fifth word is heavy. Team B.
Heavy, heavier, heaviest, madam.
Well done, it is the correct answer. Team B, you are playing well. Your sixth word is old. Team B.
Old, older, oldest, madam.
Well done, it is the correct answer. Here we have your seventh word. That is harsh. Team A.
Harsh, harsher, harshest, madam.
Well done, students, it is the right answer. Here we have the eighth word, that is dirty. Team A.
Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, madam.
Correct answer, well done. Your ninth word is little. Team B.
Little, less, least, madam.
Absolutely correct answer. Students, here we have your last word, which is much. Team B.
Much, more, most, madam.
Well done, Team B, it is the right answer. Students, we have completed the second round. And we would like to announce the winner now. Shall we have scores on the board, please? And the winner is Team B. Congratulations, Team B. Students, give a big round of applause to Team B. All the best, Team B, for your future. Students, we have successfully completed the Roma Mom Quiz competition. We will meet in the next concept. Bye bye.
So friends, I'm sure all of you really liked what you've just seen. And for all I know, some of you may have even participated virtually in the quiz. Well, let me share with you that we are going to talk about the three minds today, right? The first one being the unconscious mind, which is nothing else but your body. Now, you don't need to tell your heart to pump the blood, or you don't need to tell your kidneys to function, right? They just do their job without being told. The second mind is your conscious mind, which is where you think from, right? So this gives you logical thinking. The third one, and the most important for us as teachers, is the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is your gut, and the subconscious mind consists of all your feelings and your emotions. So friends, when we are teaching children, what we actually need to understand is that they learn through feeling. They learn through emotions. So the more feeling and the more emotions that are involved in learning by them, the faster they learn. In the Gurukula system, the Guru made the children repeat and repeat and repeat the shlokas and whatever they wanted the children to learn. The reason being that repetition gets stored in the subconscious mind, and then it is there to stay. And that is how children remember, and how all of us remember whatever we have learned. So friends, try and customize your sessions with your students to reach the subconscious mind. Another thing that I would like to share here is that you all are welcome to contribute to this channel, because this is not my channel, it's our channel. I would invite all of you to contribute your skills, your talents in the form of videos, which, if shared with me, will definitely be uploaded on this channel with a brief introduction about you. The other thing that I would like to tell all of you is, if there is any particular topic, any particular thing that you would like me to make a video on, please feel free to comment in the comment section, and I will take up whatever I can from there and make videos in future to help you. So friends, with this, I leave you for today, and I would want all of you to now start working towards how you are going to make your classes more fun. I know this was an animation, but this can definitely be adopted in class. And even in your online sessions, I'm sure you can bring in the fun element by being more creative and more innovative. One very interesting thing that has happened is that in my 35 years of teaching and being in the education industry, I stumbled upon something which I have named the share model. Now, this share model is something which will make it very, very easy and very interesting for the teachers to teach and for the students to learn. So I will be talking about this model in my future videos, and I hope that it helps many of you who are aspiring to become the best teachers in whichever schools you are serving. So friends, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste.
Teaching online is not at all a puzzle if you are a part of the Roma Ma'am community.